The story of the ship repairman or the unknown. A big ship's engine broke down. A mechanical engineer with 30 years of experience was hired. He checked the engine carefully and used a small hammer. He tapped something lightly and the engine began to work again. A week later, he handed a bill to the ship's owner amounting to $20,000. The owner was surprised and asked for a detailed bill. The engineer explained that tapping with a hammer cost only $2, but knowing where and how to tap cost $19,998. He emphasized the importance of appreciating expertise and experience. He said, doing a job quickly is a result of years of learning. The message from the story is that expertise and experience have significant value. It takes years of learning and practice to gain the skills required to do a job efficiently. Thus, you should appreciate the cost of such knowledge even if the solution seems simple.